Question 10. Danielle works in a shop. Danielle serves 50 customers in the morning. She serves 75 customers in the afternoon. The mean time to serve 50 customers in the morning was 48.7 seconds. The mean time to serve all 125 customers was 50.2 seconds. Part A says work out the mean time to serve the 75 customers in the afternoon. Well, she served 50 customers in the morning, and each customer took 48.7 seconds on average. Okay, so if we times that back out, so 50 times each customer took 48.7 seconds to give us the total time for those 50 customers. So 50 times 48.7 gives us 2,435 seconds for those 50 customers. Now, all 125 customers on average took 50.2 seconds each. So if we did 125 times 50.2 seconds, that would give us a total time that it took to serve every single one of those customers. So that's going to give us 6,275 seconds. Okay, now this is everybody, 6,275 seconds, and 2,435 was the first 50 customers. So if we take those away, that would give us a total time it took to serve these 75 customers. Okay, so 6,275 minus the 2,435 leaves us with 3,840 seconds to serve these 75 customers. Okay. Now part A says work out the mean time to serve the 75 customers in the afternoon. Now we've got the total time that it took to serve the 75 customers, so you need to divide the total time that it took to serve the customers, 75 customers, divided by 75. So each customer on average took 51.2 seconds. 51.2 seconds to serve each of those 75 customers in the afternoon. Now, Part A is a 3-mark question. Let's have a look at how you get those marks. So, the first one is a method mark for either doing 50 times 48.7 or 125 times 50.2. Okay, so either one of those is enough to get you the first mark. The second mark actually comes from taking those times away, okay, to give us a total time for the 75 customers, and then dividing it by 75. Okay, so that's the second mark there. And the third mark comes from the final answer of 51.2 seconds. And that's it for part A. Okay, so part B then. For the 75 customers served in the afternoon, the least time was 18 seconds. Okay, so the fastest time to serve one of the customers is 18 seconds. The greatest time, the longest time, took 96 seconds to serve one customer. The median time was 56 seconds. The lower quartile, the first quarter of these 75 people, took up to 32 seconds. And the upper quartile took 72 seconds. Okay. Part B says, on the grid, draw a box plot for this information. Now, the box plot, you have to know what it looks like. It looks like something like this. Okay. Now, there's no line going all the way through the middle. Okay, so this is the least, the smallest value. In this case, the least time. This is the biggest value here. This is the median, the one in the middle. This is the lower quartile, the first quarter of the people. And this is the upper quartile, the first 3/4 of the people. Okay, so have a look at your scale. And you really do just get your ruler and draw in those lines. I'll try and do it as carefully as I can. So I'm going to start off with the least time first of all. 18 seconds is here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line down there. The greatest time was 96 seconds, so 90 Oh, let's have a look at that scale again, actually. I wasn't very careful, I've done it wrong. So I do make mistakes as well. So each one of these is 2, it's going up in 2s, okay, as 10's here. So 18 is actually here. Okay? Now, 96 seconds is the greatest time. So 90 is here, 2, 4, 6, 96. So the line there. The median was 56 seconds. 56 is here. The lower quartile is 32 seconds. The upper quartile is 72 seconds. I hope I've done that right. Okay. Now you need to turn it into a box plot. By joining these up. Okay, and the line in the middle doesn't go all the way through, just goes up to there. Okay. And that's it. Okay. So there's a box plot with this information on it. Okay. So this is a 3-mark question. Oh, still got the ruler. This is a 3-mark question. Let's have a look at how you get those marks. Okay, so there's 3 things you have to have here. First mark comes from the median being in the right place. The second mark comes from the ends of your whiskers being in the right place. Okay, that's the lowest value and the highest value. So that's the second mark. And the third mark comes from the ends of your boxes, of your box in the right place. Okay, and that's your third mark. Okay, so there's your 3 marks, and that's it.